Team is digging deeper into the past of the 3 people charged in the abuse and murder of Jacqueline Torres Garcia.
We've learned that they've all been in court before and found out the young girl's aunt just got out of prison months ago after she was found guilty of child abuse. Your chief investigative reporter Sam Smink joins us now with everything she uncovered today. Sam.
The case surrounding Jacqueline Torres Garcia raises so many questions. There are concerns her own family outside of those arrested and state systems may have failed her. What we do know from police is that the 12-year-old appeared to be living with her mother and aunt months before her aunt went to prison. This is Jacqueline Garcia, the aunt of Jacqueline Torres Garcia. Police say she helped Torres Garcia's mother physically abuse and neglect the 12-year-old prior to her death. Jacqueline Garcia is no stranger to the law. In 2022, police started investigating Garcia after she brought her then 11-month-old to the hospital for a broken leg. Doctors found multiple bruises and fractures on various body parts, some of which they say likely occurred when the baby was just 2 to 4 weeks old. Jacqueline told police her 2-year-old son or victim's cousins sometimes play rough with victim, but she has never seen any of them hurt victim. She denied hurting the child, saying the child fell off the bed. The baby's father told police Jacqueline often spent the day with the baby at her sister's and would call him to pick her up because she was drunk. In December of 2024, Jacqueline was sentenced to 10 years in jail, but that sentence was suspended and she was only ordered to serve 18 months in prison. She served 8.5 months and got out in August of 2025. She was on probation at the time of her arrest. Torres Garcia's mother, Carla Garcia, was convicted of assault in 2019, though records do not show who she is accused of assaulting. She was sentenced to probation for 2 years. Her probation ended in 2021. Carla Garcia was arrested in July of 2025 for driving without a license or registration. That case is pending. Carla Garcia's boyfriend, Jonathan Nanita, also has a criminal history. He was sentenced to less than a year in jail after pleading guilty in 2022 to reckless endangerment and interfering with an officer. We know from police and the mayor that DCF had been involved with the families, but we don't know when they first became involved. When we asked that question, a spokesperson said, "We're conducting a review of our involvement with the family. As our statement indicates, due to the ongoing criminal investigation, we've disclosed everything we can at this time." The Office of the Child Advocate says they will also investigate. In response to questions about Jacqueline being homeschooled, interim child advocate Christina Guillo said it is too early to draw conclusions, but added, "We know from previous investigations that some parents use Connecticut's complete lack of oversight of homeschooled children to withdraw their children from school, isolate them, shield themselves from reports to our child welfare agency, and neglect or abuse their children." The I-Team looked into it and told you months ago that Connecticut currently has no regulations for homeschooling. The Child Advocate says this is a known policy issue that the state needs to address, where homeschooling advocates say it's the fault of DCF and other state systems. We will continue to follow developments in the story. Your chief investigative reporter, Sam Smink, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.